Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace the radiator on a 2013 Nissan Pathfinder. Disconnect the negative battery terminal, then drain the radiator into a suitable container. Relieve pressure by opening the radiator cap only when cool and wear gloves and eye protection. Jack up the vehicle safely and support it on stands, then remove splash shields for access. Keep rags and a drip pan ready to catch spills and protect painted surfaces. Next, remove the old radiator by loosening hose clamps and detaching the upper and lower hoses carefully. If your Pathfinder has an automatic transmission, disconnect the cooler lines with a flare nut wrench and catch residual fluid. Unplug the fan connectors and remove any mounting brackets or trim that hold the radiator. Lift the radiator straight up to avoid snagging the condenser or fans, and set it aside on a clean surface to prevent damage. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful repair videos. Quick recommendation: life is short, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for long garage sessions and to avoid fiddly blisters while you work. I find comfy socks make long repairs more pleasant and keep me smiling under the hood. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Install the new radiator by first comparing it to the old unit for proper fit and matched ports. Lower it into place, tighten mounting bolts, and reconnect the fan, hoses, and transmission cooler lines if present. Replace hose clamps and any removed shields, then refill the system with the recommended coolant mix and top to the proper level. Start the engine, run to operating temperature, and bleed air pockets until the heater delivers hot coolant reliably.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.